What's up, guys? We're over here at 1924 Hillside Avenue. I'm here with our project manager, Connor Brummett. This is one of our recent flips, and we're gonna find out who's gonna win in a fight between a boxer and a wrestler. All right, make sure you stay till the end to see who wins.
First walk in over here at 1924 Hillside, you'll see some updates that we've done. Fresh paint, we preserved the wood finishes, beautiful scenic view, 180 degrees over your neighbors and over Hillside Avenue. We resurfaced these beautiful hardwood floors, turned out beautifully. Now let's catch up with Dakota over in the kitchen.
All right, guys, we're here in the kitchen where we got new quartz countertops, we got all new appliances, and we got our undermount lighting. We also have an undermount sink, and so this is what our flips are gonna start looking like from here on out. We decided that we're gonna start going with quartz because we wanna put in the best and really feel like our flips are luxury.
Here on the second floor full bath, we updated the countertops here, and you'll see that these are very similar graining quartz to what we use in the kitchen. We put some luxurious textured design tile flooring in, as well as in the shower we tiled up the shower with luxurious marble tiling, updated all fixtures, new mirror, new lights, beautiful bathroom.
All right, guys, thanks so much for taking the tour through 1924 Hillside. If you guys are interested in purchasing this property, make sure you reach out to the awesome real estate agent, Raylene Webb. She's gonna take care of you guys. And for who wins in a fight between the boxer and the wrestler, we decided this time we're gonna call it a draw.